Elon Musk just revealed Tesla phone Model Pi official release date. Tesla is an American-based multinational company and is currently the leading name in the modern automotive industry, with its specialty being electric vehicles. Although electric cars are what got Tesla its fame, there are certain rumors that the company is about to branch out into another industry, which is the smartphone industry. Indeed, there was a certain buzz in the digital sphere regarding Tesla's possible decision to enter the competitive field of smartphone production. Co-founded by Elon Musk, Tesla was named after the electrical engineer Nikola Tesla, and from its beginning, Tesla was aimed at being a company focused on technological advancements. Since then, the company has made groundbreaking advancements in technology and has given us products like fully electric cars, while also inducting futuristic features in its vehicles like self-driving capabilities. Elon Musk, the man who is credited with the revolutionary success of the company, has many other feathers in his cap, such as SpaceX, the company through which the expedition to Mars was made, Neuralink, the company responsible for research and discoveries related to brain chips, and Starlink, the company through which satellite internet was developed. Now, however, if the rumors are to be believed, the company headed by Elon Musk is about to release its first ever smartphone, titled Tesla Smartphone Model Pi. Just to be clear, the company has made no official statement yet about any possible release of a smartphone, despite a number of leaks reported about this potential product. Whatever the case may be, Tesla has not let any piece of information slip so far, not only about the production and release schedule of the phone, but even about its very existence. The alleged Model Pi or Model P, the phone has been around in the digital space for quite some time now, and although no confirmation has been received from any credible source, the hype has been growing for the phone slowly. Different sources on the internet have provided a rough idea of what the Model Pi smartphone could look like if and when it is released by Tesla. Keeping in mind Tesla's reputation as one of the world's boldest innovative companies, a smartphone design would accordingly be in line with such trends. Looking at recent Tesla products, the company has developed many products that had absolutely no relation to Tesla's main product line of electric vehicles, such as the umbrella they released with the Tesla logo, and a little while ago a whistle made of stainless steel. Most famous is the kid-size electric vehicle released by Tesla a while ago, which was based on the model of the Tesla Cybertruck. So, keeping in mind this trend of unorthodox products, a smartphone does not sound too far-fetched. But why is the idea of a Tesla smartphone being circulated around so widely if there is no information yet from the company itself? Well, the reason behind most of the rumors is a YouTube video from 2021, released by the designer named ADR Studio Design. In the video, the designer presented some rendered designs for a possible Tesla phone. Although the video clearly states that the designs presented are the designer's own and not tech leaks from Tesla. But rumors have originated based on the renders of the design in the video. The speculated features that would be included in the phone are rather unrealistic as of now, such as the phone's proposed link to Neuralink or its connectivity support on the planet Mars, due to Starlink connectivity. It is possible that in future versions the smartphone could possess such features though. Despite the many rumors of the Tesla Model Pi smartphone, Elon Musk's views on smartphones in the past are discouraging of any such alleged product. These views are reinforced in particular by the developments by Musk's company Neuralink, which has many projects in the works that aim to eliminate the very concept of phones by introducing technology that would allow neuron signals from our brains to manipulate other technological devices, such as vehicles, etc. This perspective is also mirrored by a tweet made by Elon Musk back in 2020 in response to an article containing potential leaks about an alleged Tesla watch. Musk's tweet said, "Definitely not. Smartwatches and phones are yesterday's technology. Neuralinks are the future." Despite these definitive statements, people continue to believe that Tesla is developing an innovative smartphone and is strictly keeping its production under wraps. If we talk about the estimated release date of the Tesla Model Pi, there have been release dates as early as 2023 floating around. But realistically speaking, based on the ambitious features expected in the smartphone, a more practical release schedule would be closer to the year 2030. Another aspect of concern for the Model Pi phone is its expected price. For a phone expected to contain solar charging capabilities, Neuralink connectivity, and many other advanced features, the price tag will undoubtedly exceed a couple of $1,000. Of course, after a few versions, once the technology used in the smartphones becomes more cheaply available, the cost would decrease accordingly. If we talk about the features that would be included in the Model Pi smartphone, the phone would include the technological edge over other current smartphones by incorporating tech from other companies under Musk. Starlink satellite coverage capability is a great piece of tech which could be used in the Model Pi phone and have a lot of practical applications. Another feature of the phone could be solar charging. Solar panels and storage devices are part of Tesla's products for quite some time now, and the same technology could be used in the Tesla smartphone to enable solar charging in the phone. A point of concern in using this tech is that smartphones may not be able to get a sufficient level of sunlight to charge the phone completely. A conventional charging option may also be included in such a case. Another feature that would be of great use is vehicle control. Tesla vehicles have greatly autonomized their vehicles, to the extent that the self-driving option is now available in Tesla cars. A Tesla smartphone would increase the convenience of the user even further by enabling them to control their vehicle from their smartphone screens. This feature may take some time to fine-tune, but even aside from this, the integration of Tesla vehicles technology with Tesla smartphones could allow other features, such as summoning the Tesla car to the owner's location, locking or unlocking the car remotely, controlling the media being played in the car, etc. A side feature that could be achieved through a Tesla phone is highly accurate astrophotography. While current flagship smartphones make use of artificial intelligence as well as top-of-the-line cameras, Tesla could utilize the raw input offered by SpaceX Tech in order to connect and provide pictorial data to the Tesla phone, resulting in a professional quality picture. Such technology, if executed properly, could allow amateur photographers to capture pictures of astronomical objects far in space through their smartphones. Neuralink is also a viable piece of tech to use in integration with smartphones. Now, while Neuralink would ideally eradicate the need for mobile phones, the company's tech could also be used alongside the Model Pi smartphone by using a neural implant that would let the users control the phone simply by thinking something. The ease of access for such software technology is great, considering that both Tesla and Neuralink are owned by Elon Musk. If we look at the technical specifications of the Model Pi phone, it would possess all the regular specifications found in modern flagship smartphones. If the features we have discussed already really were to run on this phone, it would possess probably one of 2 terabytes of hard drive storage and a minimum of 16 gigs of RAM. Other specs would include an AMOLED display screen and a screen size of at least 6.5 inches. With such specs, the phone would be quite bulky, unless a sleeker alternative can be figured out by Tesla. The exterior of the Tesla Model Pi smartphone is expected to be as equally impressive as its inner hardware and software. Tesla products, specifically its cars, are traditionally futuristic and sleek. The smartphone would also reflect this style of design. Many different design renders have surfaced online, the most famous of which is the one made by ADR Studio, which provides an idea of what the Model Pi phone could look like. So now that we have explored all aspects of the rumored Tesla Model Pi smartphone, it is also prudent to remind again that all the information regarding the phone is completely hearsay from different sources, which is why it cannot be taken for a credible fact. While Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk, have categorically denied the news of the development of a smartphone being in the works, there is still hope that a secret project may be underway by the company. Let us know your thoughts on Elon Musk Tesla phone Model Pi in the comments box below. And also, if you like this content, subscribe to my channel. Like it, and thank you for watching. This is Tech Revelations.